Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Thanksgiving Deadpool. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with his head. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a line that just kind of curves up like this, and I'm going to go right to here. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm just going to draw the curved line back down to here. Kind of want to try to line it up best you can right there. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up like this. And then just a little line that's just going to kind of curve back down for the top of his hood. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve out. And we're just going to go down. And then we're just going to curve right back up to this side. Now, for the face. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down really far like this. And then right up here, I'm just going to curve this line in. And then I'm just going to curve it back down to here. Then we want to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to curve a line up here. Curve a small one down to here. And then just kind of curve this line all the way down here to connect them. Then I'm going to draw, starting right here, a nice circle shape. But I'm going to leave the bottom open, and I'm just going to add a little curved line like this. So same thing here, I'm going to make the nice circle shape, and then just make a little curved shape at the bottom, so it looks like he's happy. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little curved line, kind of where his nose would be. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to make a curved line to the top of the eye. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Then I'm just going to draw a curved line down here, and then a curved line down here for his mask. Now for the rest of his body. So we want it to look like he's going to be holding a turkey, and we're going to make his body a lot smaller than his head, because it is kind of cartoony. So, starting right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go down like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a nice little circle shape. And then same thing right here. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a straight line across. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around here. Kind of looks like a little snowman. And then same thing here, just kind of like a little oval shape. Then I'm going to make another straight line across for the little plate that he's holding. Now we want to put the turkey on here, so I'm just going to make a couple little circles down here first, just to make it look like there's some little decorations. And then I'm just going to put some little wavy lines around it just for some like lettuce. Then to draw the turkey, I'm just going to make a nice big curved line like this. And then a little line that curves up and out for the leg. And then a little line that does the same thing on the other side. Then I'm just going to put two little bumps on here for the little leg. And then I'm going to make a little curved line up here for the other leg that has just one little bump on there. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little line that curves up like this and then comes back down for a wing. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line, and then a little curved line on this side, and then I'm going to add a second one just to make it look like he has some oven mitts on. And then I'm just going to make a little line up here for his arm, put one up here, and then draw one a little farther up here. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then same thing on this side. And then I'm going to make this line a little wavy at the bottom to make it look like he's wearing an apron. And then I'm just going to make a little broken line and then a normal line on the other side. Now right here, I'm just going to draw two little lines down for his leg, and then two on the other side. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that curves to here, and then it's just going to go right around and come up here for the foot. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just kind of curve it down, come back around, and then up to here. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line on each end. And an extra little line right here on each side. And then right above it, I'm just going to put two little lines on or a little line on each side like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw these lines straight up to the top. And then draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up like this. And then right up here at the top, I'm just going to make two little lines just for part of his outfit. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Thanksgiving Deadpool. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.